Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, today we will learn how to apply 5 years UE multiple visa, tourist visa, open ticket in case of additional document required by ICA and refund visa fees in case of rejection. So if you did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon. Viewers, this facility started 2 months before, but the scenario was not clear, so that's why I didn't make any video. So viewers, as usual, you have to log into smartcity.ica.gov.ae, and before you start you have to check the service card. Click on the service card and there are some steps 1 2 3 and 4. You have to follow these steps. So it's very important to read this one. And the visa stay is 90 days and you can extend more, but the total is 180 days you can stay in UAE. And secondly, there are some documents required like color photocopy, passport copy, medical insurance, and bank statement of the last 6 months, and which is the required balance. So this is the very important you have to note. And there are other requirements you also need to learn: a valid health insurance policy within the country, a ticket, return ticket, and the proof of residence, either hotel or your friend. So the health insurance, I will paste the link in the description box. You can make the insurance from there. And the fees of this total is 650, but there are some additional charges that we will learn at the end. And definitely there are term and condition. You should know the term and conditions, that how your application will be cancelled automatically within 30 days, and if there are 3 time rejection, it will cancel automatically, and if it is rejected, you can refund the application fees. So these are the main requirements to learn before you apply the visa. So viewers, you have to go back to the same page, and to apply the visa, click on the start service. It will take a few seconds, and this is the form, and you can see the service description, and this 0%, and there are 4 steps to complete. So first you have to fill the applicant information. So I fill the applicant information already, and the mobile number you can register your home country, or if you have the UE mobile number of your friend, you can write over here. And the email is very important. By the email you will receive the visa, and there are notes, you can read it, that you have to fill the accurate information, otherwise the visa will be rejected. So viewers, the UAE unified number, if you already visited, you should have the unified number. You have to write, because they have your record in the ICA, and it is positive step to approve the visa. So if you want to find, I have my video how to find the unified number. So if you are new, you skip this one and select the department from which you want to issue the visa. You can select any department. There is no Dubai. For Dubai you have to apply from another website. You can select any, and you can visit all other Emirat. So select Abu Dhabi or Sharjah, it's not a issue. So the next, you have to fill the form. You have to write your name as the previous, and you have to write your profession. So you can find your profession from the drop down list, whatever your profession is there. So I'm selecting the profession just for the teaching purpose. You can select any, whatever your profession is, you can select. And other, you have to select your gender, enter the date of birth and your country of birth, and city of birth also you have to enter, and the passport number, your ordinary passport, marital status. And this is for the teaching purpose. I already filled. You can do whatever you have in your passport as per your passport. The validity and expiry date of your passport, your faith, religion, qualification, and there are other faculty you have to enter as per your qualification. Kindly do not make any mistake. And this, the visit reason is automatically tourism. you cannot change this one, and enter the email, which is the important one. And the most important thing is the address inside UAE. So guys, if you have your friend, you can write your friend address over here, and you if you book the hotel booking, you can add the your hotel booking address over here. It's there is no issue, because you are going to stay in the hotel. So you can request the hotel to give you the full address, and normally all hotel have their address on their website, their contact number also you can write. And this is for the teaching purpose I am writing. You can also do as per your, and there are residence number, office telephone number, and of course there is also mobile number. You can write your friend mobile number here, or you can write the mobile number of the hotel representative. There is no issue, but you have to ask them first, otherwise you can write your friend. And address outside country, you can write your address and click on the captcha. You can write your mobile number of your country and click on the next. So when you do the next, your application saved automatically, and you have to write the reference number of your application, which is most important. This is the reference number, you have to note, write it down. And you have to upload documents, and your color photo, which is size 35 by 45, you can search over there. Passport copy, medical insurance, and bank statement. These 4 documents are mandatory, and you can also scan your document as a PDF file, and this should be in JPG, PDF, and JPEG. And you can search also, you can look your documents uploaded and click on the next. So guys, this automatically saved your application, and you also noted down your application reference number. So now this 50% completed. We will move ahead to review your application. You can read your all application. If any mistake, you can rectify the problem by going back. Otherwise, when you submit for the payment, you cannot rectify this one. We will click on the next. It may take few seconds. And guys, there is the total scenario of the fees. You can read the total is 651, but when you are going to pay, it will increase more, the like a VAT. So 500 is the refundable money as per their system, and this is the e-payment commission and the final total, and 660.29. if you want to pay, you click on the pay, but I am not going to pay because this is for the teaching purpose. And you will click the next. It will go to the payment gate, and if you have your credit card, you can write the details of your credit card and you can pay from here, and total is 660. I'm not going to pay. So when you click over there, the system will ask you want to continue. I'm skipping this one. And if you want to search your application, tracking application, you have to click on the tracking button and click enter your request number, your email, and click on the search, and it's automatically saved. You can search here, and if you didn't pay, you can pay now. Then again you have to click over there at the mark, below mark, and you can complete your payment. So 75% already completed. So viewers, what I am going to show you next, there are some additional document for some nationalities the IC is required. I have one of the application, I will show you here, and there are some additional documents they are asking as per nationality. This is for the Pakistani person, and when they are uploaded the mandatory documents, the system asking their ID card of the country ID card. So there is no option to upload the card. Please upload Pakistani ID card for the sponsored and open ticket. Please click here. So you have to open the ticket. When you click here, it's will not going to the redirecting that the link. So I will paste the link in the description box. You have to visit over there ccica.gov.ae to create the ticket. So how to create, I enter the data, you can learn from there how you can create the ticket. The important thing is what is going to create. So you are applying the visitor, you have to click on the visitor, you enter your passport number, your all details, and here application name is the e-channel. There are a lot of things, but you have to click e-channel because this ICA is the part of the e-channel. So for the missing documents or uploading document, you have to click over the e-channel. Do not click any other option because that is after the approval of the visa. So there are a lot of options for the required, and sub application you have to click on the individual because you are going to apply online. So do not click any other option. There are a lot of things here that we have to learn later. And the service type is request, you have to request them because there is no other option. If you are going to refund, that is the refund over here, but this is the request. So sub service type is document attachment because you have to attach the your Pakistani ID card as they mentioned. So you have to click over here. There is no any data mismatching, there is no any other option. So after clicking here, you have to write the ticket information Pakistani, enter the request number. Also you have to noted your application number, you can fill other form also, and the subject you have to write please upload Pakistani ID card for the sponsored, as they requested over there they need ID card. And the type is complaint type, you can write the complaint because this is the complaint. And you can enter the unified number also, but the request number is not mandatory, you can fill the passport number also. And the with the mandatory is the details you can write in your words. So I wrote this one, dear sir, I applied the 5-year multiple visa, I uploaded all document as per your system, but when I am going to pay the fees, my application your system showing to upload the Pakistani ID card for the sponsor, and there is no option to upload. The system mention to open the ticket, and you can write your application reference here, and you can attach the image of that one. You can upload your passport copy over here and click on the create new ticket. So when you click the create new ticket, you will receive a reference also. That reference, if you want to track your ticket, what is the process of your tour, you can track. So this is the important you have to do. So how to track, you have to go click over there complaint options, and there are complaint system, track your ticket. If your ticket generated, also click on the track, and you have to enter your reference number here and your registered email. Kindly note, you have to sign in this website, this is for the registered people, so unregistered cannot do this option. So when you search, it will show you your application process, and you will receive the file over the email, then you can send them your ID card. And guys, if you want to refund your money in case your visa rejected, the similar way you have to go to the services.ica, and here the other service fees, security deposit, rejected request. So first click on the service card and check what are the mandatory document they need for the refund the fees. You can read this one very carefully before you apply. And the fees service is offered if rejected, only the fees which was 500, not other. So the VAT commission is not refundable, the 500 only refundable. Then you click on the service execution steps, you can read this one, how your application will be accepted and receive the application by the employee and these things. And the support document, which is the mandatory to whom it may concern from the bank, including IBAN optional. This is the letter is optional, you have to submit over here because the amount will transfer to your bank by IBAN number, but they need the proof. Fill the form, you have to click on the start service, and when you click on the start service, form will appear here. The first step, second and third step, you have to follow this one. You have to fill your information, your request number, your Emirat ID number, your name and everything you have to fill, your mobile number, and also your email and Emirat unified number. This is the mandatory, you have to enter the data. You can select whatever the data you have. So there are few steps you have to follow for refund the money, and you have to also learn the notes. In case of refund for the deposit fees, an amount of 25 will be deducted as a deposit refund fee. This is the also you have to know that they will cut 25 dirham. And after filling, you have to click on the captcha and do the next. When you do the next, you have to upload the document, which is the to whom it may concern letter, and you can also upload your passport copy. There are options. So viewers, by this way you can refund your amount. So hopefully this video is informative for you. I request you to subscribe and share my channel with your friends. Thank you for watching.